Okay, so we are going to set up the configuration from the app settings. So we need to have this Azure configuration.cs where we have the classes for the Azure configuration and the video indexer configuration. Then in the app settings, we are going to have all of this. Remember, we need to have the app settings marked as content and copy if newer. Then we need to add a couple of packages. We need to add the Microsoft.extensions configuration, Microsoft.extensions configuration.binding, and Microsoft.extensions.configuration.json. That will allow us to have in our controller, in our test, uh, create an instance of the configuration builder, set it to use the app settings.json, and then get the section from the app settings and bind it or convert it to a strong type, which is the class we defined before. We set it to a variable that is going to be used through all of the tests. And then if we go and try to debug the test, you will see that since I have the breakpoint here, it's going to stop there, and then the Azure configuration already has the actual keys and the URLs that we had in the configuration in the app settings file. So that's how we bind the configuration from the app settings in a unit test project, or it's actually one of the ways to do it. In the next video, we'll start creating the controller for the server project.